Hello everyone, my name is Sam Yunker, and today I'm going to be talking about chip sealing. When most people think of a chip seal, the one thing that comes to mind is the long traffic delays that come with the process. But I am here to inform you of what the work being done is and how it is beneficial to each and every one of us using the roads. The goal of chip sealing is to create a new surface on a rough surface that needs to be fixed. And while repaving would probably be better, chip sealing is a faster, more economically viable solution. To pave, you need coarse and fine aggregates mixed with oil, and then you have your hot mix asphalt. And chip sealing is just a simplified version of hot mix asphalt. It has essentially the same ingredients, but a different process that in the end saves a lot of time and money. The process of chip sealing goes like this. Once the road is cleaned by a power broom, an oil distributor shoots a layer of thick oil on the road, and a chipper follows, evenly distributing gravel known as chips, which are being fed from a dump truck being pulled. Then, pneumatic tired rollers come through, embedding the chips into the oil. Next comes the choker, which is similar to the chipper, but rather than dropping gravel, it drops sand known as choke, which absorbs the excess oil that doesn't coat the chip. Finally comes the steel drum rollers, to compact the new surface enough to let traffic on. And it is all in order like a moving assembly line. The process is that simple, and once traffic is let on, each person driving plays a part in finalizing the new road surface. The stresses from every car works the chip into place, solidifying the stability of the road. So whether you're in town or out on the highway, if you get stuck waiting in a long line of cars for a chip seal project, just know that you are taking part in the construction just by being there. I hope you've enjoyed this presentation. Thanks for watching.